Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. In today's video, we are going to discuss our second chapter, People with Special Need, from the book Look Around. So let's begin. Important point of this chapter: people who cannot see, hear or speak are called physically challenged people. We can help physically challenged people by spending time with them and making them feel loved and wanted. Old people need our support and understanding. Visit the old age home in your city and spend time with old people. First Indian woman to win a medal in a Paralympic game is Deepa Malik. 1st October is celebrated as Old Age Day all over the world. Difficult words of this chapter: eyesight, deaf, language, capacity, suffer, braille, instrument, blind, gesture, challenges. Answer these questions. So first question is, what is braille script? Some people cannot see at all. Such people are called blind. They use the script on which they move their fingers to feel different patterns of raised dot to read. This script is called braille. Second question, who are physically challenged people? People who cannot see, hear or speak are called physically challenged people. Question number 3, why do some people wear spectacles? Answer: when we grow old, our eyesight becomes weak, so we take help of spectacles. Question number 4, how can we help old people? Answer: we can help old people in many ways. Help them to climb stairs. Offer them your seat in a bus. Fill the glass of water for them. Do not make noise when they are resting. Be patient with them. What is a hearing aid? A hearing aid is the instrument worn in the ear which amplifies the sound and allows the person to hear more clearly. Back exercises. Tick the correct answer. Old members are an important part of a. Options are family, school, park, office. So answer is family. 1st October is celebrated as. Options are Gandhi Jayanti, Hearing Aid Day, Old Age Day, none of these. So answer is Old Age Day. Braille was developed by Louis Braille, John Milton, Ludwig van Beethoven, Helen Keller. So answer is Louis Braille. People who cannot hear at all use Braille, sign language, both A and B, none of these. So answer is sign language. Tick the true and cross the false statement. We can express our feeling with our ears. So this statement is wrong. Old people do not need love and support. So this statement is false. Some people who cannot hear at all are called blind. So this statement is also false. We should not be crucial to physically challenged people. True. Fill in the blanks. Old people should be given food that is soft and easy to digest. We should not make noise when old people are resting. Braille script was developed by Louis Braille. Some old people live in old age home. Some people who cannot hear at all are called deaf. Match the following. Braille script, Louis Braille. 1st October, Old Age Day. 15 October, World Care Day. Eyes, organ of sight. Ears, organ of hearing. Thanks for watching. We will meet again with something new. Till then, bye bye and take care.